Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. I'm not sure whether you're going to see this video, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. This is the leftovers from that video that I did when I tried to do some wings. If you're seeing this, it was the video before this one. If you're not seeing this, that really doesn't matter at all. So, what I've got here is a plastic egg. And I picked these up last year for before Easter. They've got a little bung in the bottom that gets filled in after they've been on the machine. And I'm going to roll this egg in the paint. This is a toffee apple stick. So there you go. Reuse, recycle. So I'm just going to roll this through the egg, through the paint. And then, I missed the top. Tip the top. No. Ugh. Now hopefully this is going to run down and cover. Let's just give it a little bit of help with my finger with some wet paint. And I'm going to sit it to dry. But before I sit it to dry and walk away, we've already got some cells coming up. So let's torch. Well, we've got cells. There was only... No! What's right about that I'm not getting? Just pop a touch of paint just to... And I'm going to sit this somewhere to dry. And I'll come back tomorrow and see what it looks like. Where should I put it to dry? I've got a container of pens here. Let's see if I can find room for our stick. There we go. So I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see how it's dried. Now, obviously a 3D object, when you've got cells, the cells do tend to cruise away a bit, but that actually creates quite a funky look. Probably a bit dark for me, but if you know someone that's got a gothic tendency and you want to make an Easter egg for them, maybe that is the one for them. I like it. Quite like it indeed. And of course, obviously a quick coat of spray varnish would bring up the colours a little bit more. Let's have a look. I'm just going to do one side. There we go. It pops it right back out again. Nice and shiny. So I use a non-yellowing, acid-free, archival safe gloss varnish, suitable for painting paints. So how does it get better than that? So there you go, guys, a really quick use of your leftover paints, a way to pop. I mean, you could paint real eggs, maybe. Oh no, how would you? I suppose if you blow the eggs you could do it. you wouldn't necessarily have a way to hold them if you left the egg in it. So scrap that. But it is coming up to Easter. There is lots of these sorts of things in craft stores at the moment, so jump out there and grab yourself something. I know that here in New Zealand at least, there's a lot of kids' toys that are made and put inside little eggs to give them something exciting to find. Maybe you could paint on those as well. I know my friend Linda, who lives just half an hour down the road, does that, and inside puts a little trinket and sells them at her market stall. So what else is possible, guys? What fun could you have playing and decorating for the Easter upcoming celebrations, if you are celebrating Easter, of course. And if you're not, how much fun can you have in April? That's my question to you. I adore you all. And I am going live on Monday. So if you have not signed up to my email list yet, you may want to jump on there really soon and do that so that you can find out when I'm going live on Monday. Monday in New Zealand time is sometimes Sunday around the world, especially in America. So I dare you to come live with me. Have fun, and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.